Hey guys, hope you're well. My name is Ivan. I run Idenix, an AI automation agency, and today I've built a very simple make automation that will generate me a piece of content every day that I can then post to social media. So here you go. I've set it to run daily at 9. What I've done is I've set it to send to a Google Sheet instead of straight to social media, so it can be reviewed and edited. But yeah, really simple. You need an OpenAI account, an API key, and some credits. So you pick the ChatGPT model here, pick role assistant, and then write your proposal here. I would recommend using a best proposal, and I've done plenty of resources for writing good proposals. And then it sends here to Google Sheets, add a row, and then post the result to a row. So if I run that now, this is one from earlier, but it's made us another one here. And voila, you can also then add a second automation that watches that row. So once you've made changes, we'll then automatically post it to social media. But maybe I'll cover that in another video. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to work with me, the link to my website is on my YouTube channel. Thanks very much for watching.